Let's take a look at how to request approval in an inspection in safety culture. As you work through your inspection, make sure all required questions are answered, any notes and media added, and actions are created where needed. Once you reach the final page, you're ready to request approval. Then simply tap Request Approval. Depending on the template setup, you may also be able to select the person to send the approval request to. Otherwise, the request will be sent to the designated person or team listed. Your approval request is then sent to an approver and they'll be notified immediately. The approver will have the opportunity to review the inspection to ensure everything is taken care of. Once the inspection has been approved, you'll receive a notification and the inspection is officially marked as complete. If you or your team need to set up approvals in your templates, search Approval Workflow in our Help Center. For this and more, head to help.safetyculture.com.